Good evening. One of the many best practices of distance education is promoting inquiry and deeper level thinking. There's a call from experts in the field to have distance education students move away from regurgitative text-based knowledge education to in-depth, higher-order thinking activities for two purposes: deeper understanding and plagiarism avoidance. The studies from the consortium focus on the instructional design to promote inquiry and deeper thinking, a great best practice for distance education, because if you desire students to be inquisitive and think deeper about issues, then you must be creative in reaching those top levels of Bloom's taxonomy, creating, evaluating, and analyzing by utilizing techniques such as visual models, peer collaboration, multiple revisions, scaffolding, and definitely ongoing assessment. What oftentimes happens with online courses is the level of thinking is limited because a plethora of knowledge is given to students with little opportunity to really actually explore and experiment with the knowledge that's been acquired. I definitely support this best practice because if we continue to have students regurgitate or imitate what's been given, then the idea of problem solving creative leaders of the future is lost. This is from Smith, 2006, Best Practices in Education, Distance Learning. Thank you. Have a great day now.